Welcome back to the next part of the show, and folks, we will do the lesson part right now. Then at the end of the show, I'm gonna say some more things about the matches, upcoming matches that we gonna watch and enjoy. Okay, because the World Cup season almost come to an end. So there are only 4 matches left, so we have to watch it all if you want to. Open your books into page number 20 and let's start a lesson right now. Tonight we do about grammar verb patterns, and yeah, let's kick it off. Kick off a week with a lesson about grammar. It's cool, right? Everybody loves grammar. Everybody. So page 20, we'll do the exercise number 1 right now. Read a text. What is the unusual thing about the restaurant that it describes? Okay, so we're gonna read a text about how much is it worth. Okay, I'm gonna read it quick because we'll go to the grammar point to next lesson. Imagine going out for the dinner with some friends are not getting a bill at the end of a meal. In one restaurant in North London, just around the corner, that is exactly what happened. Instead, the restaurant allows the customers to decide how much they feel like paying. It sounds like a recipe for disaster, but in fact, it seems to be very successful. Most people expect to pay a fair price when they have a good meal cooked for them. Occasionally, when customers suggest paying a very small amount of money, the restaurant's owner, Michael Vassos, refuses to accept it. This usually makes the customers realize that if they want to come back, they really should pay more. Just around the corner is proving so popular that 3 other restaurants in North London are considering copying the idea. Nhiêu, which serves contemporary European cuisine, decided to try it for 1 month, although they only let the customers to pay for the food in this way. Drinks had fixed prices. Okay, so the unusual thing about, if you read the text with me, is that there's a restaurant called Just Around the Corner. Just around the corner, they let the customer decide how much they will pay for the meal. And the boss of this restaurant his name is Vassos. Vassos wants to do also one more thing, that if customer suggests paying a very small amount of money, Vassos refuses to accept it. So that also make the customers want to pay more. Alright, customers want to pay more after for the next time they come to the restaurant and enjoy another meal. So what's the thing? We're gonna do the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. Is it number 3? It is number 3. Number 3 on page number 20. We'll do what? Look at the verbs highlighted in the text and the words which follow them. Then add the highlighted verbs to the table below. So you can see the highlighted words is colored in purple. I can see on the screen that it's purple. So we're gonna put those words into the correct blank in the board of the exercise number 3. And also be careful because this is our grammar point. If you do it wrong from the beginning, then you were doing wrong at the next step. Okay, so not only look at the word colored in purple, but also look at the word starting after it. Okay, example for number 1. We see the word allow. Okay, restaurant allows customers to decide how much they feel like paying. Okay, customers to decide. Allow something, that means object. Allow customer to decide. So allow, then plus object, then to infinitive. So where will we put? Oh, verb plus object plus verb plus base form infinitive without to. No. Okay, base form. Don't be tricked by the grammar. The 3 and 4 are looking quite the same because infinitive means we have to put to plus infinitive, to before. But if they are saying base form, means the infinitive without to. So allow customers to decide, so it has to. So I'm gonna put in the number 3, allow. Great, right? Then we have the word feel like. Feel like, then verb ing. So verb ing form, yes. Feel like. Okay, feel like. The next word, seems to be very successful. Okay, so seems, then plus to be is a verb. To infinitive, so it will be yeah, number 2, verb plus infinitive, to be, seem to be, seem to verb, means verb plus infinitive. Next, expect to pay, the same as seem, so put it next. Expect. Next, have a good meal cooked for them. Okay, so have, then object, then plus verb 3 or verb ed you may learn at school, that is the causative form. Alright, so have something done. Have something, then plus verb 3 verb ed. It's like the lesson we did in the season 2 of the show, have something done, have something done. If you forget about that, can rewatch that lesson. I have explained very carefully about that grammar point. So it will be have will be put into the blank number 5. Okay, verb plus object plus past participle. Okay, so have something done, have something blah blah blah. Verb 3 verb ed. So have. There's only one word or something like that. We'll have to put the large blank for something. Next, suggest paying. So will be verb ing. Okay, so verb ing form, suggest. Next, refuses to accept it. So refuse plus to, then verb base form, so infinitive. Okay, verb plus infinitive, refuse. Okay, so we'll be right back with the next part of the show. We'll complete this board. Okay, we'll be right back.